days after Home Minister Amit Shah called NCP Chief Sharad Pawar as the kingpin of corruption. Sharad Pawar has hit back at Amit Shah, saying that it was strange that a person who had been externed from Gujarat by the Supreme Court was leading such an important ministry in the country.
होम मिनिस्टर ऐसा आदमी है कि जब गुजरात में थे वहाँ कानून का गलत इस्तेमाल किया, इसके लिए सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने उनको गुजरात से तर्जीहात किया था। जो आदमी जिसे सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने तर्जीहात किया था वो आज देश की रक्षा करने की या देश के होम मिनिस्ट्री की जिम्मेदारी लेकर हाथ दे गए।
Amit Shah had also accused Sharad Pawar of disabling the Maratha reservation whenever his party came to power in the state. He also vowed to continue the Maratha reservation in the state if voted to power. Let's listen into my colleague Shrishti's report.
Well, of course, last week there was a Karyakani Baitak of BJP leaders as well as all the Karyakartas, and it was a mega meet in the city of Pune. That's when Amit Shah was addressing to the Karyakartas. He mentioned the fact that Sharad Pawar is a kingpin of corruption. He has institutionalized corruption in the country, and that was a major attack which was raised by Amit Shah in that particular Karyakani Baitak. Now, what comes across is that Sharad Pawar has retaliated to it. He has said that the person who was banished by Supreme Court, जिसको तड़ी पार किया गया था Supreme Court से, वो इंसान आज देश चला रहा है. That was the exact statement which was given out by Sharad Pawar. He also went on to say that we have to think on whose hand this country is and how they are utilizing the power. If this continues, this will lead to the wrongdoings in the country. Also, these people will take the country on the wrong path, and he is 100% confident about this. That is the exact statement given out by Sharad Pawar. But importantly, in the last meeting which was conducted by Amit Shah in Pune, there was a mega attack by Amit Shah on Sharad Pawar. He also attacked Uddhav Thackeray, stating the fact that he is a leader of Aurangzeb fan club, and that was a major attack. Now this comes in when we have Maharashtra state elections in just two months, and now the entire opposition is attacking the BJP, and BJP is doing the same. In that particular meeting, when Amit Shah was addressing the Karyakartas, he has set the tone for the upcoming Maharashtra elections, as they have faced a setback in Lok Sabha elections. They don't want to repeat. So that's why that was a mega meeting that was organized by BJP, and Amit Shah was giving out the speech over there. However, now Sharad Pawar has attacked Amit Shah, mentioning the fact that the person who was banned by Supreme Court, as the way he has used laws in Gujarat, and now that person is leading the country, and we have to think about it, that what kind of people are running the country.